Welcome to Feral Equipment. We have another innovation from Makita that we've got to show you here. It's Makita's XRH07PTU 9/16 SDS Max Rotary Hammer. It's our 18-volt X2 platform, once again powered by our 18-volt lithium-ion battery. This is our 5 amp hour. It's got a fuel gauge on the back to tell you how much juice you have left, and it fits over 200 Makita's 18-volt lithium-ion tools. In this instance, you'll notice that we have two of them side by side. That gives us 36-volt power, which is much better than any of our competitors in the marketplace. Anti-vibration technology gives you the smoothest operation of any rotary hammer. It'll only feel like the tool's working when you're drilling through concrete, as well as variable speed and another innovative feature by Makita, which is our Bluetooth technology. So when you press this button, you can actually sync this up to our Bluetooth vacuum, so you're getting wireless dust management on the job site. And as we know, because of OSHA compliance, that's very important to make sure that you're controlling your dust on the job as mandated by federal law. We have a one-touch bit ejection here on the front end, and it takes all SDS Max bits. And then you can just very easily lock those back into place in the end. We're going to go ahead and drill a hole for you and show you how fast this tool works. So as you can see, very fast, smooth operation for our XRH07PTU SDS Max Rotary Hammer.